Matheus!
É insegurança de...
Eu tô ligando de errado.
Mas é tão importante isso, a gente se gravar, e eu acho isso fantástico. Primeiro semestre todo mundo fica morrendo, segundo semestre já vem todo mundo com. Bora.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My presentation. New vocabulary. Gene.
Environment.
Environment. Segura o N. Environment. Minister.
Her name is Isabella Teixeira. She is the Environment Minister of Brazil and teacher. She lives in Brasilia and she's from Brazil. She works at the Minister of Environment of Brazil. She watches TV about 2 hours a day. She doesn't play sports, but she goes to the gym.
Oh, very well. Yes?
Como é que...